The three seeds.
Long time ago, there was a woman who lived with his son named Sham. His father went to other town to earn money. They were very poor. One day there was nothing to eat at home. So the mother said to his son, "Go and sell this cow in the market so that we will get some money." Sham took the cow and went to the market to sell the cow. On the way to the market, he met an old man. The old man said, "I will give you 3 seeds. Will you give me the cow?" Sham did not agree. The old man said, "These are the magical seeds. Everything will be good with you. So, better take it." Sham, take it. Sham agreed and gave the cow to the old man, took the seeds with him and went to the home. Mother was very angry with the Sham. She scolded him badly. During the midnight, Sham came out of his house and sowed the 3 seeds given by the old man in front of his house and went back to sleep. The next day morning, Sham woke up and saw darkness surrounded his house. He was amazed to see the seeds have grown into a tall and huge tree. The tree was growing tall very fast day by day. Sham was very eager to see where the tree ends, so he climbed the tree. First, he reached the sky. Then the creeper ended in front of a big castle. He went into the castle. There he met a lady devil. She asked him, "Why did you come here? This is a monster house. The monster will eat you. Go back." Sham said,
I am hungry. I have not had any food from past 2 days. Can you please serve me some food?
The lady devil, the monster's wife, gave him some food to eat. Suddenly, she heard the monster's sound coming. So, she hid Sham in her bag and hanged it to the door. The monster came and asked,
I can smell a human. Where is he?
The wife said, "The boy had come, but after he realized about you, he went away." After eating the food prepared by the wife, the monster counted the gold coins which he had brought, and he fell into deep sleep. As soon as Sham heard the snoring voice of the monster, he slowly came out of the bag and took the bag filled with the gold coins and ran away. From that day onwards, Sham was rich and happy boy. After some time, Sham again felt like going to the monster house. As soon as Sham reached the monster house, the lady devil asked Sham, "You are the one, right, who stole our bag filled with gold coins?"
I will tell about it later,
said Sham. Before he could finish his sentence, monster came. The monster's wife again hid the sham in her bag and hanged it to the door. This time, the monster, after the dinner, ordered his wife to bring the hen. As soon as the hen came in front of the monster, he said,
"Oh hen, give me a golden egg."
The hen laid a golden egg. Monster fell into deep sleep. As soon as Sham heard the snoring of the monster, he slowly came and took the hen and ran away. After few days, Sham again went to the monster house. This time there was no one at home. Sham hid himself in one of the fruit boxes. The monster and his wife came back. The monster shouted,
"I am smelling the human here."
The monster's wife said, "Definitely, maybe he is the one who stole our hen." She searched for Sham in the bag but could not find him. After the dinner, the monster kept the guitar in front of him and said,
"Oh, the musical guitar, play the music for me."
The guitar started playing the melodious music. Listening to the music, the monster fell into sleep. Sham came out of the bag slowly and carried the guitar and ran away. The guitar screamed, "Master, Master, rescue me!" The monster followed Sham. Soon Sham jumped down, and from his axe he cut down the bean tree. The tree and the monster fell down and together formed a huge mountain. The mountain was very useful to protect the country from the enemies. The king appointed Sham as his minister.